Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's officially on your screens, Gemstones, and thank you for that. Of course, with me, Timelonko, and I'll be with you throughout the show. What's happening in the world? We are at Cresta President Hotel. We'll be having our auditions for today. And for today's auditions, we'll be having top 100 audition in the following categories: presenting, acting, modeling, and dancing. These boys and girls compare themselves with international celebrities. I'm talking the likes of Naomi Campbell, Jay-Z, Rihanna, Tyra Banks, as well as Rihanna. Talking of Rihanna, our next performer, her name's Lorato. She'll be singing a track titled Where Have You Been from Rihanna's latest album. And if you love her, make sure that you vote for her at www.gemvote.com, or simply go to YouTube and view her video clips. Automatically, you'll be voting for that particular contestant. This is Gemstones. Enjoy.